It's time for a little guy review. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to take a look at another little figure. I mean, for those of you who know this channel, you know I do mainly 1/6 scale figures. This little guy is a Space Marine figure. This is the Lieutenant Titus. This was an official figure released from Joy Toy, and this is the collector's edition that they recently released. So this here is the front of the box, and here's stuff on the side and the back of the box, which you get a chance to see all of the things that he comes with, which as you can see he comes with quite a lot. So let's go ahead and pop him out, because you know this guy is again small, so you know everything's pretty much down to just one tray. So you have this stuff here, and there's the instruction booklet in here, and also there's his little clear stand that we will use for him later. So anyway, we'll get this guy out. See all his stuff without any glare from the plastic, and you get a chance to see everything that he comes with all right there. And I gotta say, this does look pretty cool. I do like how everything looks, so I'll show you all of the detail in this figure, which, man, that does look impressive. From what I was told, the other version actually looked a little cleaner than this. So with this one you get a chance to see all the battle damage around the figure, like the little blood splatters and stuff like that. I guess that's something that was not on the other figure but is now on the collector's edition of this figure. So it does look pretty good. One of the things I will believe I'm kind of noticing here is the other release that I saw of this figure, the head sculpt was actually a bit, I don't know, kind of glossy. It looked had like this crazy shine to it. It doesn't seem like it has it on this one. It looks like it's pretty good on the color and the paint app that they use. It doesn't look too shiny on it. I mean, the camera is picking up quite a bit, but to see it in person you don't really see a lot of that. Personally, it doesn't really matter to me because like a lot of other people, I'm not going to be displaying it with the unmasked head sculpt. I mean, I might use it for some photography, but the real selling thing for me was the masked helmet, which I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So just basically just pop this off. The figure does not come with batteries for this, so I had to pick up a battery for this thing, and I already placed it in here, but you'll get a chance to see the head sculpt with the light up feature. I will also say one of the things that they did for this one, which from what I've been hearing is different from, you know, the custom ones, is this does have a light up feature. So basically you can basically see, let me see, get that. You can just basically tap it, and oh, it's supposed to. There we go. You get the light up feature in there. But the way this thing is set up, the way they did the lighting on here is the light only lasts for about 30 seconds and then it turns off. So there's a steady light, and then if you hit it again, it kind of does like this pulsing effect. But again, it only does it for 30 seconds and then it'll shut off. So for those of you who have the other ones, who basically got custom ones, from what I've been hearing, the way they do that one is the light is on and it just stays on. So for this one, the light is actually on for about 30 seconds and then it shuts off. So again, but the detail in it looks really, really nice. I am impressed with the level of detail. Here's take a look at one of his weapons here. That looks pretty good. That's a really good detail in that. Paint application is good. Looks like there might be like some little blood there on the edges, all along there. So you have that. Then you have his guns, which you can see there's one where it's already in the holster. Then he also comes with another one where the holster is empty. So you can see the detail of that. So you can have it set up to where his gun, like let's say he's using the gun and the holster is empty. So that's really good detail on that. Instead of, I would say whenever I get, the larger scale figures, the holster is just, you just open it up and put the gun in and it's done. But they just didn't do it for this one. I'm assuming just because of the size of it, and that's just how they, do the style or whatnot. This is the jetpack that it comes with, which again, very nice detail all around that. That looks really, really good. And then his larger gun here, paint application is really nice on that. Nice attention to detail. So the heavy ammunition, you can see the bullets there. So really cool. And then I believe these are like his grenades, I believe. So I'll show you a little bit of detail on those. Again, nicely done. So you can see that they're like on a chain, so he can hold them. So you have like a 2, and then there's one here, and then I guess there's 2 different types of grenades. So you basically get one, and then you'll get one where there's like 2 hanging there on the chain. Then there's these other pieces that I guess the boosters for his they go around his boots, around the feet. So you basically swap these out, put these in, and so therefore he'll have the detail of, thrusters on his feet as well as the back. So we'll get some photos and set all of that stuff up. And then you have these extra hands, which I should be able to see if I can get these out so you can see the detail of it. So this is another trigger hand, which again you can see all the the blood detail around there. So that's cool, like the little details and the specks of blood, and pretty much all the hands look like that. You have your fist. So that's one of the fists. And again, just really nice detail on that. So for a guy this size, for this little guy, I'd say he does look pretty cool. He does look pretty impressive. So let's actually just go straight to the photos for him. I thank you for taking a look at the channel. It's always appreciated when you guys come and visit. I'll remind you now to please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.